Hello everyone. Yeah, this is Salman back again with another video. I've got a lot of requests on how to pay the service fee and what all information is needed to fill that particular form and complete the payment. Firstly, service fee payment is very important because you need to carry that particular receipt to your on your visa appointment date. Also, in case of Dropbox. Situation with wherein it was personally me. I had to take the service fee payment receipt as well to the Dropbox. So yeah, let's get started with the video on how to fill the service fee. Okay, let's get started. I'll just search for service fee payment, and yeah, this is the website that you can see, fmjfee.com. So I'll just go into this. I'll also share this particular link in the description. Yeah, so this is pay I-901 fee, and yeah, you will find your service ID in your I-20, so you can just enter that particular service ID and enter the your name as it is in your passport or the I-20, however it is. Yeah, I'm just entering this information. So yeah, once you have entered this basic information, just click on submit. Yeah, you can verify if the information is correct or not and then proceed. So in my case, I'm just selecting F1. So if anyone is filling the has the form DS 2019, you can take that. Yeah, you can give your email address and the country that you actually belong to. For me, it's both India. Yeah, you can give your address. For our case, there is no state. You can just leave it as it is. Okay, state is a mandatory one. First, select country, then you will get so the state will be vanished. So yeah. So this school code information you will find this in your I-20. You can give that particular school code. In my case, it's this. So yeah, the amount that you need to pay for service is $350. You can just click and agree and continue. So once verify all this information that you have, if it's correct or not, and then you can go with these payment methods. I'm just selecting credit card. Here you can give all the information with respect to the credit card and click on continue. Make sure you remember that once you click on continue and the next step, there will be no OTP and your fee will be directly deducted. And after this, you will get a receipt by which you need to download that particular receipt and take that particular receipt to your visa appointment for your visa appointment. Yeah.